Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI Tech channel. Are we on the verge of a scientific revolution? Imagine a world where we can predict extreme weather events days in advance, design life-saving medical devices in weeks instead of years, and even unlock the holy grail of clean energy, nuclear fusion. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, today we're diving into the groundbreaking work of Anima Anandkumar, a true visionary who's using AI to make all of this a reality. But is this progress without peril? We'll get into some serious risks later, so stick around. Anima Anandkumar isn't just another AI researcher. She's a force of nature. A professor at Caltech and a director of machine learning research at NVIDIA, previously at Amazon, she's pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI in science and engineering. Her work isn't just about algorithms. It's about fundamentally changing how we understand and interact with the world around us. She's basically turning complex simulations that used to take supercomputers weeks to run into something your laptop can handle in hours or even minutes. The core of Anandkumar's work is accelerating scientific discovery. Think of it like this. Traditional scientific methods often involve lengthy experiments, complex simulations, and mountains of data analysis. AI can drastically speed up each of these steps. By training AI models on existing data, researchers can simulate physical systems much faster than ever before. This means they can test more hypotheses, explore more designs, and analyze data more efficiently. It's like giving scientists a turbocharged engine for their research. Let's talk specifics. One of the most impressive examples is ForecastNet, Anandkumar's AI model for weather forecasting. This model is dramatically faster than traditional weather simulations, and in some cases, it's even more accurate. Imagine being able to predict severe weather events days further in advance, giving communities more time to prepare and potentially saving lives. We're talking about fewer hurricanes catching people off guard, better flood warnings, and more efficient resource allocation during emergencies. This is game-changing, but it doesn't stop there. Anandkumar's work is also revolutionizing nuclear fusion research. Simulating the behavior of plasma and fusion reactors is incredibly complex and computationally intensive. But with AI, researchers can simulate these systems 1,000,000 times faster than traditional methods. This allows them to predict and prevent plasma disruptions, a critical step towards making fusion energy a viable and sustainable source of power. 1,000,000 times faster. Think about the implications. A world powered by clean, limitless energy. It's an audacious goal, but Anandkumar's AI is bringing it closer to reality. And here's something that hits closer to home. Anandkumar's team is even using AI to design new medical devices. For example, they've developed AI-designed catheters that significantly reduce bacterial contamination. This lowers the risk of infections, improves patient outcomes, and reduces healthcare costs. Imagine fewer hospital-acquired infections and faster recovery times. This is AI making a direct and positive impact on people's lives. It's not just about abstract science. It's about tangible benefits for patients. So, what's the secret sauce behind all of this? It's something called neural operators. Anandkumar has been instrumental in developing these neural operators, which are basically a universal AI framework capable of simulating physical processes across multiple scales. Think of it as a single AI that can understand and predict the behavior of everything from the smallest particles to the largest weather systems. It's a powerful tool that can be applied to a wide range of scientific and engineering applications. This isn't just about solving one problem. It's about creating a fundamental tool that can be used across many different fields. Now, let's step back and look at the broader impact of Anandkumar's work. It's not just about science. It's also about the industries that support and enable that science. Her work pushes the boundaries of AI and machine learning, inspiring new research and development in AI algorithms that are more robust, efficient, and capable of handling complex scientific problems. And her work at Amazon Web Services highlights the potential of cloud platforms for scientific computing and AI-driven solutions. This drives demand for cloud services and inspires new cloud-based tools for researchers. It's a virtuous cycle of innovation. While these AI models reduce the need for massive supercomputers in some cases, they also create new demands for specialized hardware, such as GPUs, to train and run these models. This stimulates innovation in high-performance computing hardware and software. And the success of ForecastNet encourages the adoption of AI-driven methods in climate modeling, potentially leading to more accurate climate predictions and better strategies for mitigating climate change. We're talking about a ripple effect that extends across multiple industries. But the impact goes even further than that. Faster scientific discovery and technological innovation can lead to new industries, products, and services driving economic growth and creating jobs. More accurate weather forecasting can help communities prepare for and respond to extreme weather events, reducing property damage, injuries, and fatalities. AI-designed medical devices and therapies can improve patient outcomes, reduce healthcare costs, and increase access to quality healthcare. And advancements in nuclear fusion technology can lead to a clean, abundant source of energy, reducing reliance on fossil fuels and mitigating climate change. This is about creating a better future for everyone. By making complex scientific processes more accessible through AI-powered tools, Anandkumar's work can help to increase public understanding of science and technology. And open-source models like ForecastNet promote collaboration between scientists worldwide, accelerating the pace of scientific discovery and innovation. This is about democratizing science and empowering researchers around the globe. It's about breaking down barriers and fostering a global community of innovators. In essence, Anima Anandkumar's work has the potential to transform the way we do science and engineering, leading to significant economic, social, and environmental benefits. It's like the butterfly effect. Small changes in AI algorithms can lead to massive improvements in our understanding of the world and our ability to solve some of humanity's biggest challenges. But, as with any powerful technology, there are also potential risks that we need to be aware of. And that's what we're going to dive into next. Okay, let's talk about the potential downsides. While Anand Kumar emphasizes incorporating physics into AI models, there's a risk of over-reliance on these models without sufficient validation. If the training data is biased or incomplete, the AI might perpetuate or amplify existing inaccuracies, leading to incorrect predictions or flawed designs. The shortcuts learned by the AI could also be based on spurious correlations rather than genuine underlying principles. We have to remember that these are still models, and they're only as good as the data they're trained on. Garbage in, garbage out, right? The success in weather forecasting or plasma simulation doesn't guarantee similar results in other scientific domains. Neural operators might be highly tuned to specific types of physical systems, and their effectiveness could diminish when applied to different or more complex problems. And while the text highlights the speed advantages of these models, the initial training phase might still require significant computational resources. Furthermore, maintaining and updating these models with new data and scientific knowledge could become computationally expensive over time. The long-term computational costs need to be considered. This isn't a free lunch. It requires significant investment in infrastructure. AI models, especially complex neural networks, can be black boxes. If a model produces an unexpected or incorrect result, it can be challenging to understand why and to debug the underlying issue. This lack of transparency could hinder trust and acceptance, especially in critical applications like medical device design. And the open-source nature of projects like ForecastNet, while fostering collaboration, also introduces potential security risks. Malicious actors could potentially tamper with the model, inject false data, or exploit vulnerabilities to generate misleading predictions or disrupt operations. We need to be vigilant about security and transparency. Let's switch gears and talk about the commercial risks. Despite the impressive results, there's no guarantee that Anandkumar's AI solutions will be widely adopted by industry or academia. Existing methods and entrenched practices might be difficult to displace. Furthermore, other researchers and companies are also developing competing AI technologies, which could erode the commercial potential of her work. And the commercialization of neural operators and related technologies requires careful management of intellectual property rights. There's a risk of patent disputes, licensing challenges, or unauthorized use of the technology. Protecting innovation is crucial. Continued research and development require sustained funding. A lack of investment could hinder progress and limit the commercial viability of Anandkumar's AI solutions. The reliance on grants and collaborations also introduces uncertainty. And the automation of scientific tasks through AI could lead to job displacement for researchers and engineers who traditionally perform those tasks. This could create resistance to the adoption of AI solutions and raise ethical concerns about workforce transitions. We need to think about the human impact of these technologies. Now, let's tackle the ethical elephant in the room. As we mentioned earlier, AI models can perpetuate and amplify existing biases in the data. This could lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes, especially in applications that affect human lives, such as medical device design or weather forecasting. Imagine a weather model that is less accurate for certain communities, leading to unequal distribution of resources during extreme weather events. We need to ensure that these AI systems are fair and equitable for everyone. The black box nature of AI models raises concerns about transparency and accountability. If a model makes a mistake, it can be difficult to determine who is responsible and how to rectify the situation. This lack of transparency could erode public trust and hinder the responsible use of AI. We need to be able to understand how these systems work and hold them accountable for their actions. The same AI technology that can be used to improve weather forecasting or design better medical devices could also be used for malicious purposes, such as creating more effective weapons or manipulating financial markets. Safeguards are needed to prevent the misuse of this technology. And the development and deployment of AI models require significant energy consumption, which can contribute to carbon emissions and environmental degradation. Sustainable practices are needed to minimize the environmental impact of AI research. We need to be responsible stewards of this technology. As AI systems become more capable of generating and testing new ideas, there's a risk that they could stifle human creativity and innovation. It's important to ensure that AI is used as a tool to augment human capabilities, rather than replace them altogether. And over-reliance on AI-driven simulations could lead to data killing among scientists and engineers, who may lose their ability to perform traditional experiments and analyses. It's important to maintain a balance between AI-assisted methods and traditional scientific practices. We need to remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for human ingenuity. So, what's the bottom line? Anima Anandkumar's work is truly revolutionary. She's unlocking the potential of AI to accelerate scientific discovery and solve some of humanity's biggest challenges. But, as with any powerful technology, there are also potential risks that we need to be aware of and address proactively. By identifying and mitigating these risks, we can help ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically to advance scientific discovery and benefit society. It's up to us to shape the future of AI and ensure that it's a future that we all want to live in. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI news and analysis. Thanks for watching.